So this incredible salvia is one we discovered. So I would leave it over the winter for habitat and just your own laziness. And then in the spring, cut it back, go down and like cut it down to here, okay? Then drive your shovel right through it, okay? You can probably divide, this is huge, you could divide this into like 4 plants. So drive your shovel right through, pry out half of it, lay it down, jam your shovel through and do it again, okay? Then you put one over there and you put over there, and then you've got your continuity and you've got purple over there in the midst of the yellow, and you know, you kind of mix it up. And then you jam your shovel through this one, and then you have another one. You could easily make 4 plants here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay?